Hi, good morning. This is Shilpa. Welcome to Shilpa Tally online class. Today I am going to explain the creation of ledgers. In last video I explained the creation of ledgers in single mode. Now I am going to explain the creation of ledgers in multiple mode. So first, multiple mode, we have to open the Tally software. Here I already created NN company. Then I have to go to the accounts info, enter ledger, multiple ledger create. Okay, so multiple ledger create. Here first I have to select all items. All items means I can create the capital account, I can create the bank account, I can create the debtor, I can create the creditor, I can create the direct expenses, indirect expenses, current assets, fixed asset, current liability, everything. Okay, so first I am going to create the capital account. Means NN company is my company. For my company, another company can contribute some capital to my company. Okay, see for example, you can give us KK and company as a capital account. I am just selecting from the list amount 9,50,000. Another one HH and company as a sundry debtor, means he is receiving money from my company, so I can give us 2,50,000. Another one PP company as a sundry creditor. Sundry creditor means one who gives, so he is giving money to your company. Okay, after that I am going to create any name of the bank account. Means one company means that company is have to have the bank accounts, like ICICI Bank under bank account. Another one HDFC Bank bank account. After that we have to create indirect expenses like salary paid, indirect expenses, rent paid, I am just selecting from the list indirect expenses, commission paid, indirect expenses, dividend paid, indirect expenses, interest paid, next I am going to create the indirect incomes, which is income to my company. For example, salary received, indirect income, I am selecting from the list, rent received, I am giving less amount, rent received, indirect expenses, indirect income, sorry, commission received, dividend received, indirect income. Now I am going to create the current assets. Current assets means which is moving, like cash at bank, current assets, debtors, current assets, bills receivable, current assets, prepaid expenses. I am using abbreviations, so for expenses I have given EXP, current assets. Now I am going to create the fixed asset. Fixed assets are which is fixed, means immovable, so like land and building, fixed asset, plant and machinery, fixed asset, trademarks, copyrights. Fixed asset, computers. Fixed asset. Next, I am going to create the current liability. Current liability are creditors, current liability, bills payable, bank overdraft, bank overdraft, current liability. Now I finished all creation. Now you can save it. Here accept is coming now. If you press enter, it will save. Now you want to check all the items together. You can see in the multiple display, double enter. See, whatever the items I created, all the items is showing. Here by default in the ledger, 2 items will come automatically. One is for cash account and one is for profit and loss account. If you created one company, these 2 items will come automatically in the ledger. Okay, now if you want to alter, select it, which one you want to alter. For example, I am going to alter dividend paid. Instead of dividend paid, I will give any name of the bank like SBM under bank account. Okay, now this is altered. If you want to see whether it is altered or not, you can go to the multiple display, select it, SBM is comes under bank account. Okay, so this is the alteration. If you want to delete, select it, which one you want to delete. For example, I am going to delete land and building. Whatever the ledger you are going to delete, it should be on screen. Press Alt D. Okay, delete. If you press Y, it is completely deleted. So if you want to find out, you can find out in the multiple display. It won't be visible land and building because it is a completely deleted. Okay, so this is the creation of ledger, alteration of ledger and deletion of ledger in the multiple creation. Okay, if you like this video, please share it, subscribe it and comment it. Thank you.